Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this session of solver example. We are uh, discussing various aspects of this solver utility, and in previous video we showed you that we want a certain setup in it so that uh, this zero can be replaced with a condition, because the solver's main objective, as specified in the dialog box, and the main objective is that the value of u2 is 0, right? But some of the time it is required that, okay, the value can be more or less, uh, plus minus 2, or plus 2 or minus 2, right? That difference is fine, right? $2 or $3 or $2. Let's make it $2. It's fine. Any difference which is uh, between plus minus $2, that would be treated as a zero, right? So that constraint is not available in the solver parameters. You can have only one cell in which you can either specify the value which you want to target, okay, or you can maximize it or minimize it. But no condition provided, as the conditions are provided in the constraints, right? The conditions are available in the constraint, but not in this objective, right? So, but there is a way around, a workaround. I have got an idea to share it with you, right? We keep it as a 0 here, but in here, what we write in this difference uh, in which we are calculating the sum of this, right? So use we use a conditional statement function, that is if, right? So if all this, yeah, let's copy it, right? If all this means the outcome of this expression is greater than minus 2, greater than or equal to minus 2, right? Okay, minus 2, and at the same time we say and. So this is the way we use the and, right? The first logical statement is this, and the second logical statement can be separated with a comma, yeah, comma, sorry. Yeah, okay, and it is less than or equal to plus 2, that is positive 2, right? Okay, in this case, it is to be treated as 0, where otherwise whatever is the result of this expression, that is going to be considered, right? So this is the if statement we have written, and at the moment it is 0. Okay, So what we do is we copy this formula, Control C, and we go where in the U2. See where we are using the U2. The U2 is here. Okay, so we are pasting this formula inside it. Okay, making sure there is no adjustment required because, yeah, okay, that's fine. That's right. Okay, so this is the formula which we have used. And what else? So this will come up quickly, and this will allow you this situation. So I just want to share that you can have multiple conditions here with respect to, you can use them with respect to the objective of the data, objective of this uh, solver. Okay, the solver objective will remain 0, right? And it is going to work, right? In case if it is it is plus minus $2, so we will see the impact in here. Okay, so let's click and see what impact it has. Okay, so let's start rebuilding the sample. So it is creating 40 items array, the array of 40 items. Yes, it has calculated it. Okay, this time it is exactly 150. That's fine. So no problem in that. Okay, and so this will also result quickly, I hope. And now it is attempting its solution trials, and let's see how it comes. So there may be a difference sometime of plus minus $2 from the target, as we have given this concession margin to it, that you can use it. So let's see what is the total of this. This is 149.15, right? So objective has been achieved. The target was 150, but this is, it has worked out the solution 149.15. That's right, because we have asked it to give it margin of that. Okay, so this is the margin we are going there. So this will affect it. And let's see what happens if we use the evolutionary. Normally it takes much time. Let's see that how does it respond to such a uh, change in the parameter. So let's start. So we use the same thing. Now it will start doing its work. Hopefully this time it should come. It should not take hours as it has been taken. So it has started at 14:20, and let's see how much time it takes to complete its work. Okay. And so far, this is the update, and this is the enhancement which we have shown you. You can do plenty of things, and more things are possible. The more you do the research on it, and it has come with a solution first time in the evolutionary. Otherwise, it used to take hours and hours, right? So this time it has taken 152 instead of 150. It has taken 152. That's fine. Okay, $2 difference is permissible. So that's how we have shown you that the three methods have been successfully applied, and their result is shown. It is in here, as you can see. Yeah, you can change the formatted so that you can understand what is the date here. So, okay, what is the date in here? So press F4. And what is the date here? F4. That's it. So these were the three things. So for the array size was the 14 is until the 40 row. It has collected the sample from the population, and it has it had the target in all the three cases 150, and with the Simplex LP, it just took less than a minute, and it came up with the exact solution. Whereas in the nonlinear GRG, it came up with 149.15, right? And it used 4 items, right? And also in the evolutionary, it has come up with a 152 sum, while the target was 150. And these were the 3 items selected, one from this product, coffee, and the other was apple, dried apple, right? So 2 items were there. So this is how the solver uh, has been developed to assist you in your day-to-day solution providing. And also we have made sure that through the conditional formatting, it is highlighting which items has it selected, right? And if you see the conditional formatting, so in the conditional formatting, you can go and see in the home you have, and you can manage the rule. And this is the rule which is applied that if anything in the O3 region, if it is greater than 0, this format is going to be applied. So this is greater than 0. That's why all this range is going to have a shaded different shade to stand out, to see that, to make it more prominent so that you know that which items have been selected from this sample. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.